to show you how to develop a forecasting model in Excel using moving averages. And for that purpose, I have taken a data set which is the weekly sales of some product in gallons, in thousands of gallons, and I want to forecast what will be the sales in the 13th week. For developing a moving average model, choose data menu in Excel, and under data menu choose data analysis, and under this option choose moving averages and click OK. I'm going to delete everything which is already mentioned here. Okay, now it is asking the input range. So for input range, select the past data. Select only the actual data values. Do not select the the time periods. So I have selected only the past actual values and hit OK. Since the selection consists of the label in the first row, I have checked this option. Now to develop the moving average, we have to determine whether it is 2-period moving average, 3-period moving average, or any number of moving average. So for demonstration purpose, I am selecting here as 3. Now output range. So always make sure, doesn't matter what do you type here in interval, always the output range should start from the second row of the data. So this is the second row of the data, and output range, you must select a column which is next to the previous data, and the row should be the second row of the actual data. So for in this case, the C3 column. Always make sure to select only the second row of the previous data. Doesn't matter what you type here, whether you type 3, whether you type 2 here, and then click OK. So as you see, the moving averages, 3-period moving average model is generated for this particular data. I'm going to demonstrate once more with the 2-period moving average. So again, under data, choose data analysis, moving average, and I'm going to delete everything again. It's not required, but I'm just performing the analysis once more. Choose the data, this data, hit OK or enter on your keyboard. Since my data consists of the label in the first row, I'm checking it, and interval in this case is 2 because it's a 2-period moving average. Then output range, always make sure it should be the second row of the data. So second row of the data is this row, and I can select any column. In this case, I want to place it here, so this column, and click OK. So now you see, this is the 3-period moving average, this is the 2-period moving average, and that's how you use Excel to develop a simple moving average range forecasting model.